Hey boos! So I made this super cute matte purple butterfly set and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I just thought I would share what I did with you, and of course I'm still learning, but we can learn together. So if you want to see how I accomplished this set, make sure you stay tuned and hit that subscribe button so we can learn and do some cute bomb nails together. Anyways, okay, keep on watching. I'm gonna stop talking. So I'm taking my extra long squared gel tips that I get off AliExpress. They're like $5 for a pack. And I'm just filing down the little number tabs on the top. And then I'm going to take my buffer and just buff away any of the shine from the surface of the nail. So that's what we're looking like, no shine at all. And I'm going to take my Macart gel polish in the color 3011 and I'm just going to put on a nice even coat, and then I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. I like the formula of the Macart polishes, but they don't there's not enough color payoff. I find I need at least 3 coats with most of the polishes, and then I get a nice color payoff, which kind of sucks, but hey, it's whatever. This is what we look like after the first coat, and so of course I'm going to apply a second one so we can get a nice rich purple color. Bada bing bada boom, 2 coats later and we got this beautiful purple color. I'm not going to do a third coat. It is a really nice payoff, so I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I just got these transfer foils off AliExpress. Check out my AliExpress haul, by the way. So I'm just gonna pick out which butterflies I like, and I'm gonna cut them out and then kind of sort out which nail I want them to go on, and you'll see me do that in a few seconds, but I'm just picking out which butterflies I want for my nails. Now that that second coat is dry, I'm just trying to see where exactly I want the butterflies to sit, and then I'm going to cut them accordingly so that way I know exactly if I need to change sizes, if I need different butterflies, and just kind of play around before you stick them on. And y'all, I was fighting with these dang butterflies because it kept trying to stick onto my glove. And you see this little floral piece? I was originally going to put it on, but then I decided that I didn't want to. So I'm taking my Macart nail foil glue and I'm going to put those on the thumb, middle, and pinky finger. Those are the fingers that I want to have the decals on, so I'm just applying those on. And then with this glue, you actually want to cure it in your lamp for 60 seconds. So once it comes out, then again, I'm just going to put on my butterflies where I had placed them before and just kind of play around before I actually stick them on. Because once you stick them on, girl, they on there, they're not coming off. Well, I mean, they will, but not in the way that you want. So I'm just lightly putting it on and then pressing it, and then I'm not going to peel it off right away. I'm actually going to put on the butterflies on all the nails first and then peel it off. Um, so yeah. And then this is the moment of truth. Honestly, working with transfer foil sometimes is so annoying because when you go to peel it off and then you realize there's patches, it's so sad. So let's see, let's see. Oh, it's such a cute little butterfly. Look at that. Now there is a tiny little piece missing, but you can't really tell because of the purple underneath the nail, so it's okay. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna let it slide. And then because I realized that, I took my tweezers, the back of my tweezers, and I just kind of pressed in the other decals so that way I could try to avoid any of the foil not sticking to the nail. Just a little tip, you can also just use the tweezers to like peel off the plastic from the foils rather than using your fingers, because the tweezers are obviously a lot easier, and I don't know why I didn't, but yeah, just use the tweezers because it's much easier. So now I'm just admiring my beautiful butterflies. And then I'm going to pop back on the other nail so I can kind of look at the set, see if there's anything missing, if I want to add anything. And I actually end up adding a butterfly to the thumbnail because, I don't know, it was just looking a little lonely with just one butterfly. So I decided to put one more. And because I put the foil glue on the whole nail, and I've already cured it, I don't have to do anything else because it's still sticky, so I can just pop that on and then just have another cute little butterfly. And then this is what the set is looking like so far. It is so cute. Oh my god. But I am going to put on a top coat. However, I like matte nails, so I'm taking my Born Pretty matte top coat gel, and I'm just going to apply a nice even coat on the all of the nails. And then I also want some rhinestones, so I'm going to take this like rhinestone glue, which I actually do not like. Honestly, UV gel works a whole lot better. So I'm going to take the matte top coat and then just apply it on the nail. And then what you see me doing here first is I'm taking my rhinestones and I'm adding a tiny bit of the rhinestone glue on the back just so that it's enough to stick, but not enough that you can see it over top of the mat because it does dry with a shine. So the only thing is like it wasn't sticking. So even at some point I had to take tweezers to try to get it off of like my picker. And then afterwards you're going to see me just give up on the glue, and instead I'm just taking the rhinestones and putting them directly into the top coat. I don't recommend this if you want the gems to stay for a long time, but if you're just doing this for like a one night, two night kind of thing, you should be okay. But honestly, the glue with the top coat, they just weren't sticking. So I gave up and I just put the gems directly onto the top coat, and hey, they stuck. So it worked. Might not last that long, but it works. So for the pinky, I just kind of put four little gems kind of going across the nail. And then on the ring finger, I put four gems going from like, well, from the tip down, from the smallest to biggest. But by the end of it, you'll see me take off the fourth stone. I don't know, it was just a little too big for the nail design. So then I just had the three stones going down. And then on the middle finger, I took the smallest size of the crystals that I have and then just put them lining the base of the nail. I think I used about six. So I just kind of popped them on and then kind of line them up. I didn't want them going up too far the nails, so just across the base. And on the thumb I did the same thing as the pinky, just kind of sporadically placing a few crystals. So these are the nails just before I cure them, and you'll see that I took off the fourth gem, but we're gonna put them in our lamp for 60 seconds, and then look at this, look at this, bam! They're so flippin' cute. Comment down below, do you like them shiny or do you like them matte? Personally, I love them matte. They came out so cute, and then you have that little bit of shine from the gems. Y'all, I love this set so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.